How to reorder page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the position of page in Google Docs. So if you have page contain on page number 5 for example, and you want to make it you want to rearrange this content in page number 2, so there is a few way I will show you, the best way, easiest way. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. You can see I have total 5 page, and I have almost same content on every page. So this is my page number 1, you can see. Okay, and this is my page number 3. Okay, so I just make changes to know you, to show you properly. Okay, so you can see other page name is by default same, your name, and my third page name is my netcast on webtech zone. Okay, so this is third page. So this is I think 4 page. Okay, so I want to rearrange it in page number 2. Okay, I will rearrange in page number 2 in here. So simply what you need to do, just select that content of page all, just select that all like this. Okay, and if there is an image, so also you can select like this, you can select all. Okay, and just right click and cut this content. Then you need to arrange the below content at your present. So you can see the all content has been set. Now I have 4 page. Now come to the first page. Okay, and just click on click at very bottom. So and we come at first page because we want to rearrange it in page number 2. So come to the page, first page very bottom, and just enter the and come to the page number 2, and just hit the control, right click on it, and just paste it. Okay, so you can see this content has come on page number 2. Okay, this is page number 2, but now the other content will come down automatically. You need to adjust as per your requirement. Okay, this is the first way, and second way I will show you. I just undo the all process to show you properly. Okay, now okay, so the okay, now you can see the second page, nothing is there. The second method is come to the very down, very bottom at first page, and we need to click control plus enter. Okay, we need to select hit the control plus enter. Then the one blank page will be insert after that page where we have click it. Okay, so below one page will be insert automatically, and here you can paste this content. Okay, same as you have to check the below content and adjust as per your requirement. Okay, so that is how you can reorder or rearrange your Google Docs page. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.